Hey guys, welcome to problem solutions for the 2024 AMC 10, specifically 10B. So let's just dive right into it with a simple problem one. In a long line of people arranged left to right, the 113th person from the left is also the 110th person from the right. How many people are in the line? So this is a relatively simple problem. Well, let's just look what it's saying. So if you are the 113th person from the left, if this is all the way to the left, there would be 112 people to the left of you, and this would be you. And similarly, there would be 100. If you were the 110th person from the right, there would be 1,010. There would be 1,009 people to the right of you. So how many people are in the line? Well, you could just add 112 plus, 1,012 plus 1,009 plus you. And this would give you a total of 2,022 people in line. So this was a very logical, very simple way to do it. If you are clever, you would also realize that this is just the same thing as adding 1,013 plus 1,010 and then subtracting 1 from the total. This is because you are basically double counting this guy if you're adding these two together. But either way, the answer is 2,022, which would be answer B. All right, let's move on to problem 2. So what is 10 factorial minus 7 factorial times 6 factorial? We will start by factoring out 7 factorial. Basically, we can rewrite 10 factorial minus 7 factorial times 6 factorial as 7 factorial times, if you take out 7 factorial from 10 factorial, you will be left with 10 times 9 times 8. And you will subtract that from 6 factorial. Now, 10 times 9 times 8 is 90 times 8, which will equal to 720. And if you look at 6 factorial, if we multiply it out, will also give us 720. So you will have 7 factorial times 720 minus 720, which will be 7 factorial times 0, which is obviously going to be 0. So you don't even have to calculate what 7 factorial is. The trick, or you would actually be wasting time if you calculate what this is, because either way you're multiplying it by 0. So the answer is going to be, again, right? Yeah, again, B. All right, problem 3. For how many integers values of x is the absolute value of 2x less than or equal to 7 pi? Well, anytime I see an absolute value in an inequality, I'm going to expand it into, so this is going to be equal to, therefore, negative 7 pi So now I got rid of the absolute value. I'm going to isolate x. And now I'm going to estimate for pi. So we know that pi is 3.1415. And we are going to estimate this to approximately 3. So if we're calling pi 3, well, then this is going to be approximately equal to negative 21 over 2, positive 21 over 2. And breaking down this fraction, it would be negative 10.5, 10.5. So x will be equal to, so what is x equal to? X is equal to x is equal to any number between 10 or negative 10 and 10. So just the set of all numbers between negative 10 and 10. So that's going to be negative 10, negative 9, 0, 9, 10. And this is going to be equal to 21. Since you're going to add 1 through 10, negative 1 through 10, and then you can't forget the 0. So it's going to give you 21, which is going to be option E.